In a highly anticipated event, Elon Musk's interview with Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump on X faced a significant delay. Scheduled to start at 8 p.m., the interview began 45 minutes late due to what Musk described as a massive DDoS attack that caused the site to crash. Musk kicked off the conversation by asserting that adversaries attempted to silence Trump by disrupting the platform. Despite the technical challenges, the interview proceeded, drawing widespread attention as both figures addressed key issues. When asked how the Indian diaspora in the United States can assist India in its journey towards 100 years of independence, External Affairs Minister Drs. Jaishankar shared an insightful perspective.
I feel there's a lot which can be done because if you look today at the goals and objectives, in a way the challenges, because that's what you are addressing, a lot of it has to do with in a sense upgrading skills and talent in India.
A terrifying incident unfolded on the Hubbal flyover in North Bangalore, where a Volvo bus driver lost control, leading to a devastating crash. The out-of-control bus collided with several vehicles, including 3 bikes and 2 cars, as captured by CCTV footage. The impact was severe, leaving one biker seriously injured and rushed to the hospital. This shocking accident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of road safety and caution.
In a pivotal turn of events, Indian businessman Anil Ambani, known for his association with Reliance Group, faces a major shift in his financial landscape. His debt-ridden company, Reliance Capital, is on the brink of a significant change. The Hinduja Group's IndusInd International Holdings Limited, or IIHL, has initiated payments under a crucial resolution plan valued at 9,650 crore rupees. According to reports from Economic Times, IIHL has already transferred 2,750 crore rupees into a designated escrow account, in line with the National Company Law Tribunal's directives. IIHL has emerged as the highest bidder for Reliance Capital, marking a decisive step in the company's restructuring process. As this major business transition unfolds, all eyes are on how it will reshape the financial landscape.